In the mid-20th century, a global crisis loomed over the horizon. The burgeoning population and dwindling resources threatened to shatter the fragile balance of the world's food supply. This was the epoch when mankind stared into the abyss of starvation. The year was 1943, and India, teetering on the brink of famine, stood as a grim testament to this impending disaster. The fertile soil of the Ganges plains lay parched, the crops withered, and the people starved. A catastrophe of such magnitude had never been witnessed before, and the future seemed dismal. However, in the face of this crisis, hope emerged in the unlikeliest of places. A group of visionary scientists, led by Norman Borlaug, embarked on a mission to revolutionize agriculture and confront the specter of hunger. Their journey led them to Mexico, where they discovered a strain of wheat called Triticum aestivum, known for its high yield and resistance to diseases. Borlaug and his team painstakingly bred and cross-bred these wheat varieties, creating a hybrid that could withstand harsh conditions and yield bountiful harvests. The Green Revolution was born from this collaboration, a movement that would forever change the face of agriculture. By the late 1960s, these high-yielding seeds were introduced to developing countries, including India, and the results were astounding. In just a few short years, the barren lands of the Ganges plains were once again fertile, teeming with life. The people, once on the brink of starvation, now had food aplenty. The Green Revolution had not only saved millions from the jaws of famine but also paved the way for a more sustainable and productive future. The Green Revolution's impact was not confined to India alone. Across the globe, countries grappling with food shortages began to adopt these high-yielding seeds. The result was a significant increase in food production, allowing nations to feed their growing populations and alleviate poverty. However, the Green Revolution was not without its critics. The reliance on monoculture and the heavy use of fertilizers and pesticides raised concerns about the long-term sustainability of this agricultural revolution. Yet, the undeniable success of the Green Revolution cannot be ignored. Today, the Green Revolution stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of cooperation. It serves as a reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, mankind can rise to the occasion and create change. The Green Revolution's legacy continues to inspire, as scientists and researchers strive to find solutions to the ever-evolving crisis of food security. The story of the Green Revolution is not just a tale of the past, but a call to action for the future.